Tired of your code living a lonely life on your computer? Let's get it on GitHub, the ultimate playground for your projects. And I'm Harry, and I'm here to guide you through it. First things first, make sure you have a GitHub account and a repository set up, ready and waiting for your awesome code. Think of it like your code's new home. Next, navigate to your project folder on your computer. This is where your files actually live. Get familiar with it because we're spending a lot of time here. Now, open up your terminal or command prompt, and it's time to initialize this folder as a local Git repository. Using a specific command, you convert your folder to a Git repository, which tells Git that this folder will be tracked. Here's where things get interesting. If this is your whole directory that needs to be uploaded, type a command to add all of your files to the staging area. Think of this as a holding pen for your crucial changes. Do that for your whole directory, or add separate files as needed. Time to commit, which means you're basically taking a snapshot of your code at its current state. You'll also add a message describing those changes so you remember what you've done. Almost there. Now go to your GitHub repository, copy the link from the code button, and paste the Git address in your terminal. Think of this command as creating a map that shows Git where to put your code. Finally, the moment of truth. Push your code to GitHub. Git now uploads your committed changes to your online repository. Yay! Your code is now live on GitHub, ready to be shared, collaborated on, and generally enjoyed by everyone. You've done it.